Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to download any YouTube video onto your own computer. This is very easy and simple to do, and you can do this on any browser you like. Now let's get started. So you could do this so you can search this up on any search engine. Like I'm using Google right now. So I'm going to be searching up Y2Mate. All in one word. Now, here you are, Y2Mate. It says online videos from YouTube are free, that, and it says that. So, this is the place where the first one in the search results you have to click on. Now, it says download video and audio from YouTube. And it says search or paste link here. So, you want to go to youtube.com. Now, in the past, I have made a video like this before. It was a little bit different, but I did download somebody else's YouTube video while making that video in the past, and the video I made about how to download YouTube videos in the past when I downloaded other people's YouTube videos, despite me giving credit to the other person, that video got taken down from YouTube anyway. So in order to keep that from happening, I'm going to download my own YouTube video because I don't want people getting mad at me and reporting things to me and stuff like that. So I'm going to be downloading my own YouTube video just for this tutorial. But you can download any YouTube video you want. But if you want to use somebody else's YouTube video, you must give credit or get permission from the other person. I'm going to be downloading, let's see which video is short. I'm going to be downloading this one. This is important here. What you want to do is, up here, you go to your address bar, and you want to select everything on the address bar, just like this. You want to right click, press copy, then go to the other tab, which says YouTube Downloader, then select the search or paste link here, then right click again, then press paste, and then you can see all of this other stuff here. Now, there's, ignore these ads, by the way. They're not ads. Just don't pay attention to these ads, okay? Alright, so here you just saw that when I pasted this over here, you saw that all these download links came up. So you're gonna want to download the one with the highest quality, which is the one with the resolution with the 720p, which .mp4. But if you're low on storage on your computer, you can download it on lower qualities, but if you have enough storage on your computer, you can download it with 720p. As you can see over here, you also have the option to download the audio from the YouTube video, so you can download it as an MP3 file. Like you can just, if you wanted to download like a remix that's only available on YouTube of a song, and you want to just listen to the audio, then you could just download the audio from the YouTube video here with an MP3 file extension, or an MP3 file extension, or an M4A file extension. Sorry, I didn't mean to say it. MP4 is video, by the way. Okay. So I'm going to be downloading 720p MP4 video, for example. Alright. I don't want notifications from that. Alright, close this. What do you want to do with this is where the video title is, and then .mp4 is the file extension, and this is the amount of storage the video takes up, and that's, I don't know what that is, by the way. and you want to press save, and it says running security scan. I believe that takes as long as how long the video is, but I'm not exactly sure. I already tried doing this before, but I messed up the recording, so it's not gonna say that one unless you download this video twice, by the way. So I'm gonna open this. And there you go, it works. So thank you so much for watching. I don't know what this does. Oh wait, what? I did not know you could do that. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's cool. I did not know you could do that. Whoa! Oh my god! That is cool. I seriously did not know you could do that. And this is weird in this area, but whoa! This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? I seriously did not do. Whoa. It looks good over here though. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Wait, what? Oh my god, I seriously did not know you could do that. My dogs are barking now because of my noise. Him making too much noise from them. Oh my gosh, what? What? What if I do play this in free? Oh my god, what if all my videos work? Oh my god, that is so cool. I honestly did not know you could do that on this. That is so cool. I seriously did not know that. So again, I did download this twice, so that's the only reason why this one came up. But if you only download you only download the YouTube video once, you won't have that one there unless you name it purposely with the parentheses, the one in the other side of the parentheses. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hold you tight, oh baby, bounce with me.